guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, I'm Keaton, and today's video is going to be a back to school try on haul for you guys. I am in college, so this is going to be a little bit of a different back to school haul. But I wanted to thank NastyGal for sponsoring this video. You guys know I talk about NastyGal all the time. I love NastyGal, and so I'm really excited because they have a ton of really awesome clothes right now that I just picked out. I am just really excited to share all of these items with you guys, try them on, show you guys how I'm going to style them. Also, if you guys are new here or you guys watch my videos all the time but you guys have just never hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. And if you guys did just hit that red button, comment in the comments down below. I'm going to be replying to all of you guys. I want to welcome you guys to my channel. It means so much to me that you guys took the time to subscribe and stay around, so I really do want to welcome you guys in the comments down below. Yeah, without me talking anymore, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start with the top that I have on now. So this top I absolutely love because I'm really into corset style tops. I feel like those are really trendy, really in right now, so I love it. I think it's really pretty with just a bunch of necklaces down it. Top, I love the collar of it. I love the fit. I will also have all of the sizes and every single link to every single item from this video linked in the description bar below, so you guys can go check them out and buy them. And also NastyGal always has really amazing sales, and so if you guys are wanting any of these items, click the links down below. You guys can see if they're on sale. The second item that I also have on that is from NastyGal that I have worn for like the past 3 days, which is like kind of gross, but facts, are these shorts. I will show you guys them. They're literally just these like cotton, really comfy, high-waisted shorts. I have been really wanting shorts like this for a while just because I don't have any just casual shorts to wear in my house, and I'm also really obsessed with this new look of wearing like blazers, like zip-up hoodies, and oversized tops with these like shorts, if that makes sense. I'll insert a picture here of like kind of what I'm talking about. I'm just really into that street style vibe, so when I saw these on NastyGal, I was like, these are perfect. They're really soft, really thin. They're not the type of like shorts that are going to be like suctioned like spandex onto you. They're loose, they're really comfy. I can sleep in them, and they're just really soft, so I love those. The next item I got is this white romper. It has a little collar right here. It's got 2 pockets. This is perfect. You guys know that like blazers and like businessy looking clothes are like really in right now, and so I felt like this was perfect, especially because I love that this isn't buttons, it's zipper, so I could unzip this, I could wear it open, layer it with a bunch of like jewelry, and then I could just style it with some like cute little like tennis shoes. I could wear like my Balenciagas or some like Nike Air Force Ones with this, and it would be such a look. Like, I think this is so freaking cute. And I also got this in a size US 2. Next up, I got this blazer. I literally died for this blazer. This is so freaking cute. It's like this lime green blazer. It's like a linen material. It's a little bit thicker, so you could definitely, if you guys are like having like an internship or like any kind of job where you guys have classes that you have to dress up for. I know like public speaking classes and things like that, sometimes you have to dress up. This would be such a fun way to dress up for one of your classes. This is just so freaking cute. I also think I got it oversized. I got it in a US 4 instead of a 2, which is like just to be a little bit bigger on me, just because you guys know, like I would wear this with like a black crop top and these black shorts from NastyGal, and it would just all be like a really cute look. I love that, but that's just me. Also, my voice is extremely dead, extremely gone. If you guys are new here, I don't normally sound like this. I just sound like this right now because I just got back from Lollapalooza, as most of you guys know if you guys watch my week in my life, and my voice is completely shot and dead. So next up, I thought this top was so unique and cool looking. It's this like asymmetrical looking off the shoulder. Well, it's not off the shoulder, but it's like one shoulder, so one side's high, it just flows. I don't have a lot of really like cute dressy tops if I'm ever going to like grab dinner with girlfriends or something like that. Like, I normally just don't have a lot of tops for just that, and I feel like this is one of those things I could throw this on with just a pair of jeans and like some cute booties and call it a day. It's like just simple enough, but it has a different aspect to it, like the fact that it's so like, I don't know, out there. I feel like it gives it a different kind of look. I absolutely love it. Next up, I'm so excited about this. So I got this tie-dye long like maxi slip dress. It's beautiful, and I really wanted this because sometimes when I'm running late for classes, I tend to like just throw on a huge t-shirt and shorts and call it a day. But I feel like if I'm running late to class, it would be so cute if I just like threw on like a long little like dress and some sneakers, hair in a bun, no makeup, and like that would be like a look. Like it wouldn't be like I put much effort into it because I'm literally just throwing on one little dress, but it would still look so freaking cute. So I'm really excited about this. I felt like I could just like wear it to class, wear it out. Like this is just such an adorable little dress. I also think this color really makes my like skin color look good when I'm tan, so I'm very excited. Next up, I got this cute little polka dot top. I love polka dots right now. I really, really do. So I just got this polka dot top. It is black on one side, white on the other. It just ties in the front. Thought this would be cute with just some like jean shorts, a little bralette underneath, a little crop top. This is just such an easy, simple look, but it also, again, like adds a different aspect to it. I feel like if this was all just like black and white polka dot, I wouldn't have worn it, or like white and black polka dots, I wouldn't have worn it. But the fact that it's like dual tone, I love that, and I think it's so adorable. Next up, I got this cute little romper. It's hard to show like holding up, but you guys can see it in the try on. I thought this was adorable. Again, it's one of those things like I could just wear to like dinner with some girlfriends, or I could go to brunch in. One of those little items that I could just throw on instead of having to come up with a full entire outfit. I could just throw on this romper, tie it up, and you guys know yellow is my favorite color. I live for yellow, love yellow. I also go to Arizona State, in case any of you guys are new and you guys are wondering. I go to Arizona State, so this would be so cute even for like a game day. I was thinking like I could just throw this little romper on and some sneakers and it'd be like yellow, have like maybe like a little maroon hat or something. I don't know, I love this. Okay, then I got another blazer. You guys know, as you can tell by the looks of my room, that I love nude, and so I wanted this really cute oversized nude little blazer. Well, this one isn't really a blazer, it's more just like a little button up, but I feel like I could wear it like open. Again, I would probably wear this open with like a black crop top, these high-waisted black shorts, and my Balenciagas, and just call it a day. Like that's my new favorite thing to do. It's just like wear oversized jackets, crop tops, and shorts. It's just, I don't know, I'm really into that right now, so I love this. And I got this in a size UK 6 because I wanted it like big. Next up, I got this little sheer moment top. I could wear just a little black bralette under this. I love that the arms are puffy. That's what really makes me love this, because I just really, really like that they're just like sheer, big, and this is so cute with anything. Like you could wear this with jean shorts and dress it down, or you could wear it with like leather pants, dress it up. You could wear this with like a midi skirt. You could really wear this with anything. So I really, really liked this, especially because like I don't really go out much, but if I do, I feel like I always need tops that are just simple instead of like a statement top, and this fits that perfectly. And I also got this in a size 2. Next up, I have this white denim jacket. I love this, especially if you guys are in high school still, or you guys are going somewhere that's like cooler but it's not too hot. I feel like denim jackets are really a staple. In high school, I always had denim jackets because I would always want to wear crop tops, so I would always throw a denim jacket like that's oversized over top of the outfit, and then like cover up the fact that it was cropped, and then like open the jacket. I don't know, I was a thought, but whatever. This is the jacket that I have though. It's just this white little denim jacket. I don't have a white jacket like this, so I really, really loved it. I actually just got 2 other leather jackets, and I was like, leather's too hot in Arizona, so I feel like I could definitely do denim. The last thing that I got from NastyGal, which I love, I'm just so excited about this, is I got this pajama set. So I got these like linen pants. Actually, they're not linen, I don't know what material they are, but I got these in a size 2, and it comes with a matching top. And I just love pajama sets. I've been really into them lately, and especially because I always have spray tans when I go to bed. And so normally if I sleep on like an oversized t-shirt, I'll stain my comforter or something because I don't sleep with pants on. I'll just sleep with like a big t-shirt. So I've been really wanting to get some new pajama sets so that I could wear long pants and long sleeves. And so I got this one, and I absolutely love it. It's very just this like cream little nude pajama set. It makes me feel like so bougie and cute, and like a little mom, just walking around in my living room sipping my coffee or my tea before bed in my pajama set. I don't know. It also has this lace detailing, which I really like. So yeah, this is the last thing I got from NastyGal. So that is everything that I got from NastyGal. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and also if you guys want any of the pieces, you guys can go in the links down below. And if you guys want to check out any other ones, NastyGal always has really amazing deals and really amazing clothes in their new in section, so go check it out. Go check out NastyGal. And also, thank you guys so much for even watching this video. Again, if you guys are new here and you guys seem to like me, you guys want to stick around, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do, comment down below so that I can comment back to you. I want to welcome you guys to my channel. It means so much to me that you guys would want to subscribe and stick around. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because all of these pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys are also going to be on my Instagram. And so I'm going to show you guys how I style them, where I'm wearing them to, and all that kind of stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.